Dr. Anthony Fauci is acknowledging this news has the potential to shake vaccine confidence, but says transparency is important. We spoke earlier this afternoon. Was a pause necessary in your view?
Yes, I believe it was necessary for a couple of reasons. One, to investigate these a bit more, to make sure we get much more of the details and the granular details of that. But also, it's important during this period of pause to alert physicians on the outside who might see women or men, but mostly women, as we've seen all 6 of these women, who might come in with a clotting disorder like this.
And Dr. Fauci, we were told these vaccines had been thoroughly tested. There were no shortcuts, that they were safe. If there is, in fact, a connection between blood clots and the J&J vaccine, why wouldn't it have been discovered during the trials?
It's a matter of numbers, Lester. For example, if you look in a clinical trial, generally clinical trials have anywhere from 30,000 to 40,000 people in it. You're talking about an adverse event that has occurred in 6 people out of 6.85 million people who are vaccinated in the United States with the J&J. When you get out into the real world, you're giving it to tens and tens of millions of people. And it is at that point that you see if there is a rare adverse event, you will pick it up as you get into the millions of people who are vaccinated.
What would you recommend to anyone who has had the J&J vaccine in the last couple of weeks? Is there anything they can do?
Well, right now, I would make sure they understand that this is really a very rare event. And in fact, it had occurred in people in a very small bracket of time frame between 6 and 13 days. So if you had received the vaccine a couple of months ago, then I think you would have absolutely nothing to worry about. I would be very surprised if there was any issue there. If you had received it within a period of, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks or a week or 2, I would tell them, again, it's a very rare event, but you should be alert to see if you get symptoms of a severe headache or some issue with movement or stroke-like syndromes that would bring you to the doctor. Make sure you tell them that you've been vaccinated.
Dr. Fauci says they have not seen this particular issue with either the Moderna or Pfizer vaccines. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.